Shredding files in Windows. Is there a built-in cmd command/utility on Windows that can shred files, delete and overwrite with random data, without the need to use third-party software? In Linux I would use Shred. It's a wonderful tool that not only deletes files, but also destroys any residue left on the disk by overwriting the data.
Probably not. Unless they added one in Windows and NBSB 8. I recently purchased a new PC with Windows and NBSB 7, and NBSB, the manufacturer bundled a third-party shredder application. I infer that either there isn't one as standard, and I've never heard of one, or, less likely, that the manufacturer added some unnecessary bloatware without the usual sliver of justification. It's hard to prove a negative though. Notes: Shred only overwrites a file, it doesn't seek out fragments and copies of the data in unallocated disk space, caused by editing, etc. You don't need to overwrite a file more than once. Statements to the contrary have been thoroughly debunked long ago. It doesn't matter what you overwrite it with. So just copying a sufficiently large but innocuous file over the top will suffice. Update. You could delete the file in NBSB, then use Cipher. Quit all programs. Click Start, click Run, type cmd, and then press Enter. Type cipher/w :/folder name, and then press Enter. Specify the drive and the folder that identifies the volume that contains the deleted data that you want to overwrite. Data that is not allocated to files or folders will be overwritten. This permanently removes the data. This can take a long time if you are overwriting a large space. It's probably quicker to just copy a big file over the sensitive file, but safer to clear unallocated space.
Piriform's Cleaner offers an option to wipe out free space. File Shredder allows to wipe out a particular file on deletion time. Edit. Found something on MS Internus. Delete. Haven't tried but could give it a try.
Not Windows native, but likely to be already installed for many people reading this question. Git for Windows comes with its own ports of many common Unix utilities, including Shred. By default it's located at c:\program files /git /user /bin/shred.exe. Usage is the same as on Unix likes, for example, c:\program files /git /user /bin/shred.exe myfile.txt.
Delete is as close to native as I've ever found. The reason why it's more secure than other answers is that it doesn't only write random data, it also takes into account the peculiarities of Windows file systems so it can force the right parts of the disk to be overwritten. It has no installer, so if you simply extract the files to their own directory in Program Files, then add that to your path, you can use it from the command line as you would del. It can delete recursively and shreds both the file contents and name. The first time it runs, it shows an agree to terms dialog, so run it once before you script anything with it.
If you want to